Hi and welcome to the TriStar Hidden Treasures Baseball Box Break. I'm sorry for the delay. I was in Vermont to visit my grandpa in the hospital. And we didn't plan on staying so long, but we ended up doing that because we wanted to spend a lot of time with him. And I'm sorry about that. He's okay now. Also, my supplier for baseballs, he shipped me a damaged baseball, so I had to send that back and wait for a new one. And just an hour ago, the new one came today, so we're going to do the break now. The winner for the most spots is BBPK7. He wins a Scott Rowland Relic by Topps. Alright. Let's get into the break. Naody Girl with 2. Cantali with 4. 8 Ball with 5. Ryan with 5. Jamie Hoffman with 1. Mario 000 with 2. BBPK7 with 6. Ibeck with 1. Chap Baseball with 1. Paul 69 USMC with 3. Let's copy our list and paste it on randomize.org. Alright, randomize it 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We have Naody Girl at the top and Ryan at the bottom. Let's copy our new list. Alright, so Naody Girl with the Diamondbacks, BBPK7 with the Braves and Orioles, Cantali with the Red Sox, Ryan with the Cubs, Mario 000 with the White Sox and Reds, Cantali with the Indians, Ryan with the Rockies and Tigers, BB with the Astros, Paul with the Royals, 8 Ball with the Angels, BB with the Dodgers and Marlins, Naody Girl with the Brewers, 8 Ball 888 with the Twins, Cantali with the Mets, 8 Ball with the Yankees, Ibeck with the Athletics, Ryan with the Phillies, Paul with the Pirates, Cantali with the Padres, Jamie Hoffman with the Giants, let me scroll, 8 Ball with the Mariners, Paul USMC with the Cardinals, BB with the Rays, 8 Ball with the Rangers, Chap Baseball with the Jays, and Ryan with the Nationals. Sorry, I sound really tired. I just woke up, but don't worry, I'm good. Alright, let's open up our box. There we go. Oh, wait, sorry. Sealed. Alright. Alright, find the seal right here. I'm gonna let the light hit on that. There it is. Sorry. Alright. Open up that box. Take the baseball out. Let's see. Oh. Alright, that signature does not look familiar. Jose Canseco, maybe? I don't know. Oh! I was right. Cool. Sweet. Let's see it. Jose Canseco. He's a beast. Yeah. Alright. Rookie of the Year, AL MVP, 6-time All-Star, 4-time Slugger. First ever member of the 40 home run, 40 stolen base club. 2-time World Series champion, 462 career home runs. See that ball? Nice ball, Manfield. Alright, let's see what team he played for the longest. Jose. Oh. Seiko. Alright. BaseballReference.com. Alright. Played in Oakland for a while. Let's see. 9 years Oakland, 3 years Texas, 2 years Devil Rays, 2 years Boston, 1 year Yankee, 1 year White Sox, 1 year Toronto. So it looks like Oakland Athletics right here. He played for the longest. So he's got the Athletics. Oakland Athletics. Alright, it looks like the winner is Ibex6480. Alright, Ibex6480, you win a Jose Canseco autographed baseball. Everyone else, please check out my helmet break. I'm gonna actually be doing something special. I'm trying to buy a special box for the break, a little more rare for the TriStar. And I also posted another jersey break, and I'm gonna post another baseball break. Have a great day, everyone, and yeah.